It's a work van, it's a camper van. It's both, and it transforms faster than you can make a cup of tea. The secret? A box I built that completely changes everything. So, picture this. It's Friday night, you've just finished work. You're staring at your van thinking, if only this thing could take me somewhere for the weekend. But there's a big problem. It's full of tools, plywood and coffee cups. Not exactly camper van ready. Now I could spend thousands converting it, or months building a permanent camper setup. But I wanted something different. Something that could turn a work van into a camper van in minutes, and back again just as far. This is my removable camping box. It's a self-contained setup that turns pretty much any van into a weekend camper. No wiring, no permanent fittings, no hassle. It's solid, simple, and it goes from an empty load space to fully functional camper in about 2 minutes. Then, when Monday morning comes around, you can pull it straight back out and get back to work. It started as a pile of plywood, a rough sketch, and a lot of guesswork. The idea was to make something modular, lightweight, and tough enough to survive daily use. I didn't want it to feel like a project, I just wanted it to work. Here's the fun part, turning the van into a camper. The box slides straight in. I use these two fixings here to ratchet strap it to the floor, just to stop it moving about when I drive. This is what it's all about. Finishing work on a Friday, loading up the box, jumping in the van and just driving. No hassle with setting up, no big conversion, just freedom on demand. And I love it. Because this is quite a stealthy setup, I can literally pull up at the side of the road, anywhere I want. And within minutes, you've got a setup that's ready for a weekend away. No drilling, no wiring, no permanent fittings. Just a couple of ratchet straps and you're away. It's worth noting that in smaller vans, you can ratchet strap it to the headrests on the front seats. I use the seatbelt restraints here just because I've got the long wheelbase version and I've got that little bit more space. There's space for your stove, proper storage for your kit, and a bed that folds out in seconds. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and built to take a bit of abuse. You can chuck your gear in it, head off after work on a Friday, and be set up before the kettle's boiled. It's not fancy, but it's practical, and that's exactly how I like it. There's storage space in here for absolutely everything you need for that weekend break. Simply drop that down, pull these out, and in here, I keep all my bedding. I've got my sleeping bag, my pillow, a sheet for the mattress. In that one, I've got all my cooking stuff, things like that. You can also use this, if you've got a chair, you can sort of sit down here and use this to cook on. And in the height of the summer, I'm going to be putting a fridge in there, and it'll also accommodate a portable toilet as well. Going forward, I might modify this, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm happy with it the way it is for now. And because this end of the bed is elevated, you've got so much space under here for storage. And when Monday morning comes around, it's gone in absolutely no time at all. The van is back in work mode. For me, this box is the perfect middle ground. One van that works hard all week and plays hard all weekend.
Sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for